Innovative Kids channel.
Dear kids, parents, and teachers, welcome to Innovative Kids channel. This video will provide a structured and interactive way to teach basic English grammar concepts related to the past continuous tense in a classroom setting.
Good morning, class. Today, we are going to explore the past continuous tense in English grammar. Are you all ready to learn? Yes, we are ready. Wonderful. Let's start by discussing what the past continuous tense is. Can anyone tell me?
It is about actions that were ongoing at a specific point in the past.
Exactly. The past continuous tense is used to describe actions that were ongoing at a specific point in the past. Can someone provide an example of a past continuous tense sentence?
I was studying when the phone rang.
Excellent. Was studying indicates an action that was ongoing in the past. Now, let's explore how we form past continuous tense sentences. Who can explain verb conjugation in the past continuous tense?
It is about using was or were before the base form of the verb and adding ing.
That is correct. In the past continuous tense, we use was with I, he, she, or it, and were with you, we, or they before the base form of the verb and adding ing. Can someone give me another example?
They were playing soccer when it started raining.
Perfect. We're playing indicates an action that was ongoing in the past. Now let's practice forming past continuous tense sentences together. I will give you a subject, and you provide a past continuous tense verb to complete the sentence. Let's start with I.
I was reading a book.
Great. How about we?
We were watching a movie.
Well done. Now let's move on to negative sentences in the past continuous tense. How do we form negative sentences?
We add not after was or were.
That is correct. We add not after was or were to form negative sentences in the past continuous tense. Can someone give me an example?
He was not working late last night.
Excellent. Was not working indicates an action that was not ongoing in the past. Now let's try forming negative sentences together. I will give you a subject, and you provide a negative past continuous tense verb to complete the sentence. Let's start with you.
You were not listening to music.
Very good. How about she?
She was not cooking dinner.
Excellent job, everyone. Now let's move on to questions in the past continuous tense. How do we form questions?
We invert the subject and was or were.
That is correct. We invert the subject and was or were to form questions in the past continuous tense. Can someone give me an example?
Were they playing basketball?
Perfect. Were they playing is a question about an action that was ongoing in the past. Now let's practice forming questions together. I will give you a subject, and you provide a past continuous tense verb to complete the question. Let's start with he.
Was he studying for the exam?
Excellent. How about we?
Were we waiting for you?
Very good. Now that we have covered forming affirmative, negative, and question sentences in the past continuous tense, let's move on to using it to describe interrupted actions. Can anyone provide examples of interrupted actions?
Like, I was watching TV when the phone rang, or she was cooking dinner when the power went out.
Exactly. Past continuous tense can also be used to describe actions that were ongoing but were interrupted by another action. Can someone give me a sentence using past continuous tense to describe an interrupted action?
He was reading a book when his friend called.
Great. Was reading indicates an action that was interrupted by another action. Now, let's wrap up our lesson with a quick review. Can anyone summarize what we have learned today about the past continuous tense?
The past continuous tense is used to describe actions that were ongoing at a specific point in the past. We form past continuous tense sentences by using was or were before the base form of the verb and adding ing. We can make negative sentences by adding not after was or were, and we form questions by inverting the subject and was or were. Past continuous tense can also be used to describe interrupted actions.
Excellent summary. You have done a fantastic job today exploring the basics of English grammar in the past continuous tense. Keep practicing and you will become even more confident in using it correctly. That is all for today. Class dismissed.
Thank you, teacher. Thanks for watching. For watching more kids educational videos, subscribe Innovative Kids channel.